Yeah, yeah. Fantastic. Thanks very much. Okay. Cheers. Bye. Bye. She's 10-15 minutes away.
Nice.
So she's driving as she was speaking, so cool. She'll be there and collect it. Good.
So
All right.
just 2 random guys you met.
Yeah, just completely random at the bus stop there. So, and don't forget to text the Mark then to tell him that the Parrot's been picked up, and you can text me as well, just so I know that he's safe.
Cool.
Or she, I don't know what it
Okay,
is.
yeah, we
Right.
have Parrot.
Bye.
Talk about surreal. I think we'll call you Polly. No need to be original in situations like these.
Now, do you speak? That's the question.
What's your name, Parrot? Shorty Timbers? Maybe. Oh. Could be a French parrot, of course. Bonjour. Je suis un parent, oui? No. Let's try German. Guten Tag. Wie heißt du? No. Sei italiano? Sì? No. Oh, looks like he's slightly nervous now. Difficult to tell. Hi. Hello, Parrot. Don't frighten it. Don't frighten it.
Sorry.
No.
Quite a friendly parrot.
It is quite friendly, but he is digging his talons in
We
some.
hope.
Good thing I'm wearing a shirt and not.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the shoulder he's after.
Oh.
I want to kind of stroke it or something, but he'd probably bite me.
Yeah, well, he didn't seem very keen on putting your
not
hands
being
near
touched.
him. Yeah.
Do you have any nasty diseases? No? That's good. Someone's coming to get you, so don't. Oh, here we go.
That would be.
Can you just go up a little bit? My arm's getting a wee bit tired. Just up a wee bit? Yeah, cheers. Cheers, thank you. That's just fine. Arr. Look the other way. You're making me nervous. Look at the camera. Look at the camera, Polly.
Yeah, well. Should I start the video or just keep filming?
I don't know, I might do something dramatic at the moment. That's okay, I can sort of semi-rest my hand with that. What are you thinking now, Parrot? Well, he was quite happy on Mark's shoulder, wasn't he? So
All the way.
you probably stay here for a bit. Oh, I think he's going to bite my ear.
Twitching a little. Oh. What is he up to? I mean, I'm cornering him to give him a free flight. Let's go back onto the sofa.
He's probably used to being indoors. Making noises.
What do parrots eat? Apart from ears.
I don't know. Seed? Bird seed? Don't want to feed it though, in case
No.
they make it explode or something.
Yeah.
Him, her.
Well, I think that's the video over.
Right, I guess I just stand here then. Oh, there we go.
That's more like
better.
That's kind of soft.
Okay, there we go.